Good evening, Divine Souls. I'm Pooja Jain from Jalandhar. I'm working in the field of naturopathy, Ayurveda, acupuncture, past life regression. I'm an energy master and working in the field of meditation for the last many years as a senior meditation expert and spreading meditation and message regarding meditation at the international level. Meditation, I feel, is the essence of life. I've been associated with Heavenly Palace for the last 5 years or so. I also got privilege to take meditation sessions there off and on. There are almost 350 residents are there. I take session for them also. Chairman Sir of Heavenly Palace, Mr. Anil Mongaji, a very pious and divine soul. He encourages such activities there for the welfare of the divine residents, divine souls residing there, the kids, heavenly angel kids, its staff members, for all the persons there in different to make this life full of spiritual vibration. For the last 1 month, Mahamandaleshwar Advaitanandji, he is there taking many spiritual discourses there early in the morning with the residents with yoga sessions. In the noon, he takes deep meditation sessions. In the afternoon, he takes some deep breathing sessions or Yog Nidra etc. Such type of sessions there, and in the evening he takes satsang sessions there. He is taking their Bhagavad talks also and molding souls so that we may become one with our divine source. And to become one with the divine source, one must be healthy also. And for that, Swamiji is taking yogic exercises there. People making them active, taking breathing exercises, giving them lessons for breathing exercises, I think which are must in this corona epidemic time to make the lungs strong also. These breathing techniques, they are marvelous. I have personally attended Swamiji's sessions and I really got blessed with Swamiji's spiritual blessings, spiritual knowledge. I think at this age, by this age, most of the people, they are full with emotional hurts up to the brim. Different type of emotional hurts are there, life setbacks are there. That is why sometimes people complain that I sat for meditation but I didn't go deeper into the meditation. Because their emotional body comes in the way. For this, Swamiji take catharsis technique. He uses his very special catharsis technique to make their emotional vessel get empty. And after that he takes deep meditation. He makes the people laugh and laugh. And I have personally seen changes in the atmosphere and in the nature of some people who are very complaining in their nature because of this. Their life has given them so much irritation. Swamiji is totally transforming them with his spiritual discourses, with his exercises and with his own personal vibrations. By this age, muscles and joints and spine sometimes becomes problem. For this, Swamiji taught us some simple exercises with the help of simple balls and pipe rollers also. These exercises are very helpful for releasing the tight muscles after prolonged sitting of sadhana or after doing sports activities. He is master of Indian yogic culture, naturopathy, occult and many other spiritual techniques. This is my feeling for him. I don't have words to express his personality. I think attending Swamiji's sessions are just like attending some divine retreat for which people long. And he teaches from his deep core, and he teaches what a special person needs according to specific needs. He teaches accordingly, and he's a smiling personality, making others smile, laughing, and making the whole atmosphere laugh with him, just like flowers. Simple flowers, easy flowers, lotus and rose, I think all are there with Swamiji's laughing and smiles. And my hearty thanks to Shri Anil Mongaji and Swamiji. Thank you very much.